Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make easy cash, like really easy in just one day. Or it could be set a goal that you can do only 1 week. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you enjoy, you don't have to. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Okay, so the first step I recommend to get easy money is a task board. A task board is on your left side of your device. Basically, it gives you like tasks to do for money, easy stuff for easy money. And if you wait a few days for them to all load up, then you will get a lot of money if you do them all at once. Let's head to the next step. Okay, guys, so the second tip I'm doing is the same tip I'm talking about right now. Is basically what I'm doing is you become a baby and you take care of a pet. It's really easy. You get double the amount of money, and $562 is how much I've got in the last hour. So yeah, it's it gives you a lot of money. I would definitely recommend this tip. It's really easy and it's really fun. It's kind of entertaining. So it's not like, oh, I hate this, like in Bloxburg and stuff. It's like, yeah, I would really recommend it, and it's really easy. And okay, the third tip I recommend is to move into a smaller house. For example, before you do that, let's say you had a house like mine and there's a lot of expensive stuff and it's been less than 2 weeks since you've got it. You would sell stuff like you could sell this for $31, um, sell this for 13. First, you would have to sell everything in your house, and then you would go to you would move into a tiny home. And then once you do that, you could sell your family home and you could get even more money and then do all the tips I'm about to tell you right now, and you would get major money. And that I'm saying major. Like I got so much money from moving into this mushroom house into a family home. But once you get enough money, it is your choice if you want to move to a bigger home. It's just that's in that period of time, that's how you get a lot of money. Let's go on to the next tip. Okay, the fourth tip I'm about to say is also really easy. Um, Basically, you have to have uh, a pizza place or higher to create a party, and you have to be an adult. So what you do is you create a party and name it as, hey, I'm gonna take care of any pets, anything, and you have to have a stroller that has like a lot of seats because I'm pretty sure a lot of people would come. So I'm not sure how the max limit amount of seats it has, but I do know it has a ton. So I would definitely recommend doing that for it. It would take a lot of time and a lot of stress, I would believe, because you're taking care of like 100 different other pets and stuff. But that would be like 10 times the amount of money you're making right now for taking care of your pet. Also, guys, here's an update. I just got up to $900 in the last 20 minutes from doing all that stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. Anyways, guys, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope this helped you a lot. Um, if you have any other video requests, I really recommend you typing in the comments. It would help out a lot. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. That would also help a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.